in this video, we're going to take a look at the RC time constant curve of a charging capacitor. So this is 1000 microfarad right there. It's polarized. That side has to be more negative, that side more positive. So I'll try to squeeze that back in there to where the resistor is, and we have the capacitor fully charged right there going through the resistor. 1000 ohm resistor. So 1/1000th of a farad, 1000 microfarad, same as the millifarad, times 1000 ohms. That gives you a second. So the time constant 1 second. The alligator clips here, they are from the oscilloscope there that I forgot to clear out from my last attempt to shoot this. We have a 7-volt power supply. So there you can see the capacitor is charged to 7 volts. It's going up 7 squares right there. There's 8 squares up. I'm trying to speed this up so that it's not too long. Now I'm going to short circuit the capacitor by taking another jumper and putting it directly across the capacitor. So we have now it instantly discharged to 0 ohms right there. So I'll try to keep the capacitor in there. When I yank the jumper, so the 1 second is 1 time constant because it's a 1/1000th of a farad times 1000 ohms, and I'll try to pause that right on the line. So what that is the time it takes the capacitor to charge to about 2/3 of the final voltage. So 63% I believe. And then it's about 2/3 again, 2/3 again, and so on. After 5 of them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's when we consider it fully charged. And we are back to our setup here. I have the capacitor discharge there, the jumper on both ends. And we can do a couple things to change the RC time constant curve right there. We could change the value of the capacitor. This is 1000 microfarad. This is about as large as you use in basic electronics. So it's easier to change the value of the resistor for a longer period of time. And so I'm going to pluck the 1 kilo ohm, 1000 ohm resistor and replace it with a 3000 ohm resistor. So since the capacitor is the same, we tripled the resistance there. The voltage is going to take 3 times as long to go up. So we'll see that when I pluck the jumper there, and hopefully I don't disturb anything. And I did. We got a nice smooth curve there. So there's 12 squares across for 12 seconds. I'll try to click it right at the end to pause it, and now we'll see that it should be about 3 seconds there. 1, 2, 3 to get about 2/3, 63% I believe it is, of the final voltage. And then 1, 2, 3 again. 1, 2, 3. So this is the 3rd time. 1, 2, 3 the 4th time. And so you can see it's still going up a little bit, but it's almost fully charged. So it will be after the next 3 seconds. So in any case, that's it for this video. The use of this is that a lot of times there's circuitry waiting for a certain voltage, and then so that'll be the period of time before it gets to that point, and then it'll respond to it. So the 555 timer is a common integrated circuit that looks at 1/3 and 2/3 of the supply voltage. It makes the capacitor charge and discharge over and over again for the curve. But that's topics for other videos. I'm keeping this short. So make sure you check out one of the other videos I'm posting on the screen. Click like, subscribe, the bell, all that. Donate to Patreon if you can. That helps out the most. I have links down in the description. But watching videos helps a ton. Thanks for that. I'll see ya in the next video.